Hello everyone. So today we will perform our second program on Python, and the objective of the program is that we have to write a program to prompt for a score between 0.0 and 1.0. If the score is out of the range, then we have to print an error. If the score is within 0.0 and 1.0, then we have to print a grade using the following table. And the table is, if the grade is more than 0.9, then the grade will be A. If the grade is more than 0.8 or equal to it, then the grade should be V. And according to this, if the grade is less than 0.6, then the grade should F. And if the user enters a value out of range, then we have to print an error message and exit. For that, we have to enter a score 0.85. By default, we have to enter. So this is a simple program only. First of all, we need to ask the user the score, and that score will be I'm storing in a variable called score. So the command should be enter the score. And now as we got the score, so we will convert the score in from string to float value. So float score. Now we will use if command, if else command. So if the score, that is s, is greater than 1.0, we should have to print that this is an error. And again, else if we will use here, and else if the value of the s is greater than or equal to 0.9, then we will print. You should focus over here that we have to give colon after every if and else if command, otherwise there will be syntax error in the program. So now we have to print the grade A. Likewise, we will write else if for, again we will, if the grade is less than or equal to 0.8 colon, then we will print basically again else if score greater than or equal to 0.7, then we have to print C. Now after C, grade 0.7, we have to print any grade D. Oh my god. Also S equal to. Now we will change the condition. Now here we will change the condition. If the value of the S is less than 0.6, then we will print the grade is F. So our program is complete. Now we have to check our code, and as we have given that we have to input the value 0.85. As you can see, our output matched to the desired output, that is B. I hope you like the video. Have a great day ahead.